Hello and welcome back to Blackpool from Upside Down Head Travels. So I'm back down on Central Promenade this morning just to take a quick look at the Airshow village, a couple of hours before the actual airshow begins, just to see what's available. So I hope you caught my video from yesterday when I had a wander through and I noticed that apart from a simulator for the Typhoon, a Spitfire which you can sit in the cockpit, and a Red Arrow, there is nothing else here. So I've just made my way down now and already I can see that there are stalls all over the place. So I'm going to have a wander through, and you'll also notice there are people already setting up, getting their prime positions ready for the airshow later. So the airshow starts at 2 o'clock with the Red Arrows. It's on the Saturday and on the Sunday. The village that's opened up just for the airshow, so the airshow village is open from 10 till 6 on both days. Looks like it's going to be a busy day today, and no doubt a busy day tomorrow. Loads of people already. Take a look at the mock-up aircrafts. So let's have a little wander through. So it's looking busy. So we've got pick a mix. I'd be tempted to bring my own. Never the cheapest. Aunt Annie's fudge. We have got a coffee house with loads of cakes. They look pretty nice. The deck chairs are out ready. I would have thought that they're going to run out pretty quick. So if you want to hire a deck chair, get yourself down early. Fish and chips. I'm not having any fish and chips today. I think I've had enough over the last few weeks. Gyros, pizzas, donuts and coffees. So you're not going to be short of choices. And I've literally only just walked, probably not even 100 yards yet. I've not even got as far as the Typhoon simulator. So the Red Arrow merchandise place is going to be a popular choice today. Typhoon simulator, £8. So a quick look at this. So £8 per person. It doesn't say anything about age or weight restrictions. That will be a hell of an experience. So as you can tell, it is absolutely heaving. Coast Guards are set up just in case, because you never know. You never ever know. Morning. So I'm just heading up by the comedy carpet now, just walking past Coral Island and up to the Spyglass. This might be worth a little visit if you're down. Discover filed, all the information about Fylde Coast, what's on. RVF got a couple of tents up as well. That is looking popular already. Looks like we've got a keen photographer setting himself up as well. Pie and peas, aptly named tornado potatoes. A very bizarre one. We've even got the perfume shop set up. There, the comedy carpet is absolutely rammed. We've got another Red Arrow stall. A little bit bigger, this one. So this is just before you get to the comedy carpet. A bit more on the Royal Typhoon Air Force display team. Looks like they're doing a bit of a raffle there as well. Go on then. So the queues to get in, to take a look in and have a sit in the cockpit of the mock-up Hawk or Red Arrow. Queues are massive already. So if you want to have a sit in there, you've got to be willing to queue. It is a great thing though to sit inside. Sat in many myself. Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. There's everything. Looks like there's a possible thing for regular and reserves for the Air Force. So if you fancy joining either the regular or the reserves, get yourself down. I'm sure the people there will give you all the information you need. Right, Wes. So a bit of a fight to get to the comedy carpet itself, but as you can tell, it is heaving. A bit easier to walk on this part because there's no food vans or display things. And I have been informed, if you're into your Airfix models, the Illuminations have got a stand down here somewhere selling their very own Airfix model of the Spitfire. So a copy of the one that they have down at the Gin roundabout. I've not seen that one yet, but I'm sure it's about somewhere. Looks like you can even buy yourself a little jumpsuits if that's your bag. I would have thought more for the kids than the adults, but you never know. We've got a firing range as well. The Duke of Lancaster's regiment are down. It's all very impressive. The Royal Logistics Corps as well. So I've got a feeling that if you come down and you've always fancied either joining the army or the RAF, I'm sure these people down here can give you some information. Let's see if anything's up by North Pier. Okay, so it looks like everything seems to finish at the beach house. So pretty much from the beach house down to Central Pier is going to be absolutely rammed today. And I would think that if you want a table at the beach house when the air show's on, you might have to contact him to reserve or get yourself in there nice and early. Have a beer and watch the air show. But what a great day to get down to Blackpool to watch the air show today. Loads of places to grab a bite to eat on the prom itself. If you don't fancy anything on there, there's always loads of local businesses just off the promenade. Burger places, fish and chip shops. If you fancy Chinese, anything for a bit later on, there's loads. But if you're here for the air show and you want to stay on the prom, I'd say there must be 10, 15 different types of food down. Something for everybody. So I think I found the place where you can buy the Airfix models. Yeah, they are. So these are the illumination Airfix models. Oh, yeah.
Is this live? No.
No.
Is this for YouTube, is it?
It is, yeah. So if you get yourself down just opposite the tower, the stand that's closest to the beach, you're going to get all your Airfix models. The special Illuminations version, which is the Visit Blackpool one, the only place you're going to get it is either here or on the Illuminations website. I'll put a link onto that, so if you've seen quite a few videos of the Lightworks in Blackpool, that's where that one's from. Only available Blackpool, so either today and tomorrow or on their website. I'll try and find a link and put that in the description below. So I'm just having a little tiny walk around the back of the Hawk, so you can have a look at the size of the queues. And then I'm going to say it's goodbye for now. Get yourself down to Blackpool this weekend, enjoy the air show, get some proper family time, love life, stay safe and enjoy. Bye for now.
Add up the numbers now, folks. So for number tickets up now, 21, and then you win 5 tickets for £3 here today. Send for £5, you get 25 for £10 here today. You can use any amount of tickets, any amount of numbers to give us 21. You give us 21 in any combination of tickets, any combination of numbers, and we'll give you any prize on the show. Any prize that you like here today.